Say something, Giblet. Oh, let's get a little closer. Come on, let's see that pretty face. Come on, let's see that eyes, those eyes. That Smith nose, okay. Back up. Amanda! Come on, give me a big smile. Give me a big smile. Oh. Let's see. Come on. You're not going to say anything? Come on, Amanda Lou. That's your foot. You want to eat it? Amanda, you're out of here. You're fading out, baby.